What do you do, guys? This is Trey, and I help small luxury businesses get more clients by fixing their systems and funnels so they convert each and every lead that comes into their business. So today, I'm going to be giving you some small tip advice on negotiation and the problem that I've been noticing most businesses are doing. So I've noticed that number one, you guys are not charging enough money. When I say this, I mean that if I'm helping you, I'm gonna create a funnel for you and I'm gonna build a system that will convert, let's say, come up with a content idea, let's say 10 content ideas, and I give you the formats that you just need to copy and redo. And then you redo those 10 formats and then you post them all on your social media platform. After that, you get thousands and thousands of views. One or two of those videos blow up, you get thousands and thousands of views, and then all those views will come to your landing page. So I created the system. I already created a landing page for you, automations and lead captures, lead magnets, and everything. And all of those thousands of people, a quarter of them were converted into paying clients, right? A quarter of them were converted into paying clients, and they will be there for a long time. They'll keep on buying from you and buying your services from you for a long time. So let's say I created the funnel for you and everything, and let's say I charged you small amount, which is what you guys are doing. You charge maybe I charge maybe 5,000 for creating the funnel. You get 100,000 on the funnel, and this 100,000 is not the money that you just get once off. This is money which will be generated and keep on being generated for about 3 or 4 months until you need me to come back to you and maintain the lead generation. So if I'm making you 100,000 and I charge you 5,000, don't you think that's unfair? That's what I'm saying to you guys. Like, you guys are not charging enough money for your services and products. If your product is gonna make the guy or the woman, if it's gonna make them 50,000, charge 15,000 to 20,000 because it's worth it. If I'm gonna create something or do something for you that's gonna create tons and tons of money for you, and this is not a once-off thing, this keeps on going on each and every month, and I only ask for 25,000 and you are getting 100,000, then that's fair. You feel me? So charge exactly what you are valued for. The skills most of you business owners have are significant, they are amazing, and you give out great results. So if you give out great results, why don't you charge like you give out great results? Why? Is it that you're scared that the client might reject the offer? Is it that you're scared that they might not come back, or you're gonna spend the whole month stuffing? No. Here's a quick tip that I just noticed while I was studying about business a week ago. So let's say you go to a client and you offer them your service, and they say that I don't think I can afford it. Okay, so what you're gonna say is, okay, if you can afford it, let's do this. I'm gonna do it for you. I'm going to do it for you for free, and you're not going to pay anything unless we see the results. So what happens here is you ask for 50% of the results, which means the profit. So if you do the job and it works and it generates thousands and thousands of money for them, you take 50% of the profit because you took all the risk and they didn't pay anything at the moment. Or they can just choose to pay you what you're worth and go ahead with the deal. That's the offer that you have to be giving out. You guys have to actually charge like you guys are valuable. You guys are actually increasing the economic growth. You are playing a big role in the growth of the economy. Act like it. Behave like it. I love business people. Business people are just different. Entrepreneurs are different from the world. The way the world is structured, I believe that business is the hardest topic or the hardest thing to do. So, if you're not charging enough for your services, start now. Start now. And if you need help, DM me help. And then we can talk about it. You can tell me more about your business and how much you're paying. We can have a small voice chat or video chat to communicating with you so I can actually tell you how you should approach your clients and how you can raise your prices. Because, guys, this is the way you can actually get a lot of money from it. You guys are worth a lot. That's what you have to notice. Don't stop being scared, okay? Stop being scared of what they will say. Anyway, guys, if you like the video, leave a comment, leave a like, and follow if you like this type of content. If you want to see more of my content, I would appreciate the support. See you next time.